Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it, can't even unlock your device right now. So what can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you have to turn off your BLACKVIEW, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. So let's hold power key plus volume down, and after the screen turns on and you can see BLACKVIEW logo appeared, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume down. After that the menu will appear. Here in this menu you have to use volume keys to navigate, only volume down key to navigate because volume up key is deactivated, and power key to select, and you have to select an option clear eMMC. And after that your device will be restarted in about a minute or two, and there will be no more screen lock. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.